Hello dear students, am I live or not? Okay, please. I guess I have started the class but I was not live. Okay, okay dear students. Now everything is fine, audio video? Hello dear students. Okay, I guess I have started the class for 5 minutes and later on I realized that I am not live. Okay, it's fine. So guys, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all again on this faculty driven platform Resultant. As most of you are already aware that on 18th of August will be the HPCL exam. Now guys, I have already shown you the previous year analysis of what subject, what marks have been come, the cutoff. I am again showing you all these things very quickly, then I am moving to these 30 topics. But guys, let me be very frank, very truthful for you. Those students who are going to be selected in HPCL will not be those who will be studying these 30 topics. From these 30 topics, exam will not be guys cleared. Leave the final selection. I am saying that even the first stage, the written exam, the computer based test will also not be cleared. Of course guys, if you are, this is the very misconception among the students this year. So with the top 10 questions seeing in the YouTube, you will be selected or you will be qualified the GATE exam or any other exam. With top 50 topics, you will be selected or you will be qualified any other HPCL exam or whatever. No guys, the students who are selected in any competition exam, whether it is GATE, ESE or HPCL, are those who have covered the entire syllabus. So from these 30 topics, nothing has to be going to happen. If you are seeing me because of this, that from these 30 topics you are going to select in HPCL, guys, don't see me, don't listen me. Then what is the useful? Sir, why the teachers are making this video? Guys, they are making this video because guys, those students who have covered entire syllabus, they can focus more on the particular topics. When I say that these 50 topics are important for GATE, then that doesn't mean that the complete paper will be coming or 80% or 90% paper will be coming from those 50 topics. Even guys, from those 50 topics, 30 or 35 marks paper is also coming, and then also they will be considered very, very important. Okay, so you have to cover the entire syllabus for clearing any examination. But yes, these 30 topics you can revise or focus or practice more. Those who are new in the channel guys, please subscribe the channel for more civil engineering videos. You can connect me on my mail ID abhinav@resultant.in. You can connect me on my telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir. Already more than 6,200 students have joined there. You can connect me on WhatsApp on this number as well. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Hi Ayushman, how are you? Now guys, moving further from here, this is my telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay, now guys, if you are preparing for HPCL guys, of course the course will not be helpful at this particular time, that is why we are not releasing it. But yes, the practice will be helping. Guys, HPCL exam of 2024 is not for those students who have just started their preparation. These kind of examinations where the notification comes 2 months before and after 2 to 3 months there is examination, these all examinations including HPCL are for those students who have already covered more than 80% of the syllabus. They are exam ready, just practice has to be done, revision has to be done, and they will be cracking or clearing or attempting or a real contender of any exam which is coming in nearby. It is only for those HPCL or whatever exams are coming, only for those who have got more than 80% syllabus. Those who are new, those who have just started preparation, or those who have covered less than 50% syllabus, they should be targeting the GATE exam guys. That is why every time I say your first cycle of preparation should be complete. First you complete all the syllabus, all the topics. Then after completing in that period, now when you are completing the all subjects, in that period please don't target. Yes, you can give the exam in between just to know the pattern, plus please don't target any exam that point of time. Once you complete the preparation, then you do the target. So whose preparation is done or more than 80% done, they can target this. Now guys, what resultant our team is doing you, giving a test series for rupees 399. And what is special in our test series, that first of all we are giving 2 test series, buy one get one free. Those 2 test series are not exactly same. One is guys a resultant test series where each and every question is developed by the resultant faculties. For civil, these are the faculties. Okay, full length test, non-tech test, technical side, all subject formula notes are also there. Guys, everybody is giving test. We believe that test series is for the last point of time of preparation, na? So at the last point of preparation, you will be solving the test series, na? At that particular time, at last time, you should be knowing the formula notes also of all subjects. So for including the test series, guys, we will be giving the formula notes as well. 2 test series are there, different test series are there, buy one get 2 free. One is made by the resultant faculties, only resultant faculties, resultant special. And one is the other practice test, which are the questions or selected questions that our toppers, our SME, subject matter expert have given us. Okay, so both will be given to you along with the formula notes, all subject formula notes in this test series for rupees 3999. Okay, now guys, from 11th of July our new course has started. If you want to enroll, guys, today is the last day to avail the offer. Last day to avail the offer. For 1 year it is this much, and for 2 years this is the price. This is a GATE course where you will be getting the recorded class, study notes, PYQ, doubt session and test series, complete GATE test series. Okay, so shall we move? Let me quickly tell you guys, for civil engineer this time the number of seats are 10. Yes, it is less. Okay, now guys, this is the pattern. Total you will be having the 170 questions. This is in this pattern only, guys, our full length test series are developed. Okay, in this pattern only our full length test series are developed. Okay, 170 questions. Out of 170 questions, guys, 85 are technical and 85 are non-technical. 85 are technical and 85 are non-technical. Okay, for every question, guys, you will be getting +1. Guys, from last time only this negative marking has been introduced in HPCL, -0.25. Now guys, very important point here, +1 and -0.25 is a very special kind of negative marking, because if the negative marking is not 1/4 but it is 1/3, then I usually say that please don't guess. But here, guys, let me tell you, on the basis of probability, if 20 questions you attempt randomly, blindfold, closing your eyes, then on the basis of probability, because 25% chances that your options will be correct, out of 4 one has to be correct. Now if even in the blindfold you attempt it, then guys 5 will be right and 15 will be wrong. Okay, 5 will be right and 15 will be wrong. Now 5 right will be +5 marks and 15 wrong will be -15 by 4. -15 by 4 is 3 point something -3 to 30, -3.7. So overall there will be a benefit of 1.3 marks. Overall there will be a benefit of 1.3 marks. Got it? Got it, guys? Got it, guys? Everyone? Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Okay, so even if you do attempt like this, na, it will be in the plus side. Okay, and when the negative marking is 1/3, so 5 correct on the basis of probability, because 25% chances that it is correct. 15 will be wrong. Then guys, if negative marking is 1/3, na, then +5 and 15 1/3 is -5. Then it will be 0. So for 1/3 negative marking, it is exactly coming 0. Even in the 1/3 negative marking, if you can eliminate 2 options, even in the negative 1/3, if you eliminate 2 options, then it will be in benefit. Okay. So 85 technical, 85 non-technical. Now in technical, guys, civil engineering will be coming, and in non-technical 34, 34, 17. 34 of reasoning, 34 aptitude, 17 of English. एक बार WhatsApp check करो. Okay, 34 and 17 are there out of the 85 questions. Okay, now moving forward from here, everyone, if I tell you the complete process that CBT, technical domain, all 50% is the minimum qualifying marks in the 170 marks na, in this 85 portion 50% you should be getting. Okay, 50% you should be getting on overall 60%. So 50% out of this 85 marks and 60% overall for unreserved category. For other categories, guys, overall 54% is there, but technical 50% every category should be getting, but overall they can go for 54 marks. Then group task, this is the cutoff after once who will be selected in the written exam. Then interview, this is the cutoff, and final scoring, this is the cutoff for the final selection. Now if I talk about the previous year cutoffs, guys, in the previous year cutoffs, in the last time the number of vacancies writing out of 170 marks, this is the cutoff. Yes guys, it is huge cutoff because of the less number of seats for general. This is the cutoff for EWS, this is the cutoff of OBC, this is the cutoff of SC, this is the cutoff of ST, guys. Now if I tell you about the weightage analysis, last year, guys, only our team has done the exam analysis of HPCL. Okay, so what we found from the exam weightage analysis of last year's, that soil, survey, transportation, environment and fluid mechanics, almost more than 45% paper, almost more than 45% paper is coming from these things only. More than 45% paper is coming from these things only, these subjects. Okay, and the subjects like PERT CPM, engineering mechanics, irrigation, building material last time was more, but usually it is less. Subjects like irrigation, PERT CPM, engineering mechanics and hydrology are usually in very, very less weightage. Okay, everyone please give me yes or no. Everyone give me yes or no. Okay, now the top 30 important topics. Before telling these top 30 important topics, let me once again tell you that nobody will be selected by watching the 10 important questions of GATE in YouTube. From these 30 topics your selection will not be done, guys. Okay, from these 30 topics or 50 topics selection is done, guys, then why everyone is studying the whole thing? Okay, so the selection is always done from the complete preparation. Then sir, if it is done for complete preparation, why are you taking this? I am taking this only to tell you that yes, you have to, the selection will be for those students who are completing the whole syllabus, but yes, at the last moment of preparation, you can first of all take the resultant test series, one buy one get one free, and all subject formula notes are available. And also guys, you can do one more thing, that you can focus on these 30 topics more. Alone focusing on these 30 topics will not be helping you. Okay, you can focus more on these 30 topics. Now guys, what are the important topics from which maximum questions have been occurred or asked in the past few years? From environment, characteristics of wastewater. Direct. First of all, guys, HPCL will be asking direct questions. Okay, direct questions are asked. It will not be taking 3 or 4 steps, or a deep concept will not be asked, because in 150 minutes you have to solve 170 questions. That means for every question you will be getting 50 seconds. So they are not going very, very deep. Okay, so environment, characteristic of wastewater, gravity dam questions will be asked. Okay, from irrigation, risk and reliability from hydrology. Although guys from irrigation and hydrology, the questions are asked less, but whenever they are asked, they are asked from these topics only. Chain surveying, okay, and photogrammetry of again survey, these are the topics. Okay, although guys irrigation, hydrology are less weightage, but it is observed then when most of the times the questions have been asked, the questions have been asked from these two topics only. Now guys, these are the 5 topics. Again, phase diagram of soil mechanics is very important. Okay, the formulas like SE is equal to WG, N is equal to E upon 1 plus E, gamma T is equal to G plus SE 1 plus E into gamma W. Then from here putting S is equal to 0, gamma D, S is equal to 1, you can put gamma sat, then you can find gamma submerged. All these, from all these properties or all these interrelationships of the various content or various soil parameters, the questions are asked. Then guys, effective stress and quicksand condition, favorite topic of HPCL. Effective stress and quicksand conditions, the topics have been asked. Okay, LSM method in RCC. It has been observed guys that in RCC most of the questions have been asked from limit state method. Okay, sometimes the questions are asked from bond and some codal provisions also, but mostly the questions are asked from this topic only. Okay, everyone please give me yes or no. Okay, now super elevation in highway engineering, from super elevation the questions are asked, Webster method for signal design and traffic capacity, particularly the green shell model. Okay, Q max is equal to Vf into Kj by 4. Here the cycle length C naught is equal to 1 5 lost time plus 5 upon 1 minus capital Y. Okay, these, oh sorry, this is the Webster method, this is the traffic capacity Vf into Kj by 4, and Q max is equal to 1000 into V by S also. Q max is equal to 1000 into V by S also. Here the super elevation E plus mu is equal to V square by GR. This is the formula in SI unit. Okay, for the mixed traffic condition 0.75 V square by GR. Again I am saying I am not writing that 127 and 225. This is in the SI unit. Okay, so from these is asked. Now guys, from this topic now, transformation of stress, the importance have been increased drastically in last many years. I am telling you, in civil engineering, in GATE examination, in last 3 years, there are total 6 papers. In every year, it is 2 sets. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6 sets. Out of those 6 sets, guys, in all 6 sets in last 3 years, some transformation of stress question is asked. Out of last 3 years, if 6 sets are there, set 1, set 2, set 1, set 2, set 1, set 2, in all 6 sets this is asked. Okay. Okay, yes, Negi ji, welcome, how are you? Now tell slope and deflection, moment area method, okay, and strain energy method, double integration method, direct, sometimes the direct relation is also asked. Okay. Now intermittency and ILD in structures, pre-stress in RCC, okay, and shear reinforcement, vertical stairs, bent bars, inclined bars have been asked. Now going further guys, in FM na, the force that the fluid will be exerting on the plane or curved surface, the questions are asked on that. Okay, energy depth relationship in open channel flow, uniform flow and critical flow, the questions are asked. Terzaghi bearing capacity guys, pile foundation is not as important as it is in GATE. In HPCL exam guys particularly, yes, I am not saying that from the pile the questions have not been asked, but if you compare the shallow foundation and deep foundation, then the more questions have been asked from shallow foundation. Guys, from leveling also the questions are asked. Okay, from leveling also the questions are asked. Okay, they are asking sometimes the questions on the arithmetic check, sometimes they are asking the elevations of a terrace where the inverted staff is used, that particular portion is asked in leveling. But all the questions, whether from this, whether from this, whether from any other topic which I am not mentioning here, if the questions will be asked, it will be straightforward, direct question. Now guys, traversing, summation latitude 0 in a loop traverse, summation departure is equal to 0. or error due to closure, those topics are asked. Delta is equal to 8.64 B by D, delta due to relationship. From sedimentation, guys, the questions are asked, either the settling velocity or any other thing. BOD is asked. Okay, consolidation is asked, settlement of soil. Okay, delta H by H is equal to delta V by V naught. Why? All change in volume will be due to height, not due to volume is area into height, but area of the soil is considered to be semi-infinite, na? Area infinite, depth finite. Area infinite, depth finite. So area is not changing. Earlier also it is infinite, now also it is infinite. So all the change in volume is considered to be due to height, and we can derive it as delta E upon 1 plus E naught also from the phase diagram. From this also the question is asked, or the question is asked, the settlement is equal to H naught mv into delta sigma, or delta H is equal to Cc H naught for a normally consolidated soil log sigma naught plus delta sigma upon sigma naught bar. From these formulas the questions are asked, or one more formula, Tv is equal to Cv into T by D square. For single drainage, double drainage, the questions are asked from this also. Now moving forward, guys, side distance, SSD is most important. OSD rarely they ask, but SSD they ask frequently. Okay, the questions on SSD they asked frequently. Okay, give me yes or no everyone, please. Everyone, please. Okay, now bending stress formula. Okay, sigma by y is equal to m by I is equal to E by R. From that the question is asked, Poisson ratio and thermal stress, the questions are asked, shear strength of soil, tau is equal to C plus sigma tan phi. For sand, C is equal to 0, for clay, phi is equal to 0, and laminar flow in FM. From these topics also the questions are asked. Okay, so guys, you can join us in Instagram and Facebook also. The link will be in the description, or Instagram you can scan this code to join the Resultant team on the Instagram. Okay, or if you have not downloaded the app till now in the Play Store, you can write Resultant Civil and Resultant Mechanical and you can download the app. Guys, for any contact you can connect us on these numbers, okay, or this email ID, or here as well, anywhere if you want to connect us. Okay, the complete civil team is always with you guys, so I hope you the best for the 18th January. And let me again tell you guys, for the last phase of preparation, the test series will be very important. Resultant has come up with a special test series. Okay, buy one get one free. Both are different test series, guys, not the same test series. One is made by the complete Resultant faculty team, Resultant special, and another is made by the subject matter experts and the toppers of the last few years. Okay, so with 399 you will be getting both the test series, plus very important, everyone is giving test series. Why? Because test series is important at the last phase of preparation, but we believe that the subject formula notes of all is equally important at the last time. So along with the test series, the different test series, we are giving you the all subject formula notes as well. Okay, any more doubt? If you want to ask me, please let me know. Okay, Syed, obviously we'll be doing that as well. Okay, Dheeraj sir and team will be doing that as well. Thank you guys. For any doubt you can connect me on the numbers that I have provided you. Thank you guys. See you all in the next session. Take care of yourself. Thank you.